Why do I make art at 84? Is this making art? It's a 3D printer, and it's printing a part of one of my new presses. Is that art? One time a woman came to my studio, my shop, and I was making Halfwood Presses, and she would buy a Halfwood press, and she said, this is an artwork. And I said, oh, it's craft. You know, at best it's craft to make etching presses. And she said, if it makes me happy, it's art. So that was the day, you know, the customer is always right, and I never forgot that. If it makes me feel good, and most people wouldn't feel good about printing 3D prints, but it's the fifth printmaking medium, and I have made prints since since about 1960, or even in high school. And I was told, and I believe, that printmaking is an art form. And it's also the ancestor of all the media arts. It's the ancestor of STEM. If you add reading and writing and the arts, you've got STREAM. And that's quite something. I've always felt like I'm an artist, and so even, you know, when I got my first teaching job at 24, I was to teach art, printmaking, art. So now I'm 84, and one might ask, why do I make art at 84? And partly it's because it makes me feel good. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.